Hey, it's Rick Filio in the backyard today in Pembroke, New Hampshire. Today is 9/11/2021, and I just got this 58 Fastwin 18 horse running again. Had a bad leaking upper seal. Got that replaced, cleaned out the points again, reset them, and seems to be all right for now. I mean, I got to still water test it, dial it in, but let's give it a quick demo.